Ya kata gerai bonon Aiti Noh ya boro Tiar Shwa kita ki artili kin hon pintriam na rilom karo kilashim hadin baka celang bakarpang next step ber muntirang ba jela lengkar ke jinar lang uhe tan kampo yang hakanong ba habakren ber kila pakai ku bor wanding marak general secretary ke Anvc ulai thu baka kan hon jingu kalapan kre bonon Aiti Noh ya boro Tiar le hakatio baka du jong Naiwieng mentau senam.
Listen, in the last of this month, this coming month, November, we are going to hand over this in our arms. For these reasons only we have a meeting today. After that only know how to go. Then only we will know.
Like right now, where are the arms and all, and what will be the quantity to tell us?
No. I cannot comment on these things. No. But that will whether this or no handing over the arms, so they will know.
And you have also been demanding for a general election as a part of this.
But after handing over only, we'll discuss with the government. Then only we can let you know.
You will hand over arms here or in Karhul?
No, in Karhul itself, Tura.
Kadba urimpu en marak chairman ke NBCB pan ulai thu ba kate ge jelang kila persnguru ak sarkar bakan benjurno ek jaksa jengki ha eden bari kabodan hawes garu hills khnang bakan long artan kum kalenti ban lumlang ye baro ikit khot ke jengka
setting up a camp to call upon our cadres, because right now our cadres are scattered, so that we can finish the this one listing of cadres and weapons, so that we can disband our organization as we have agreed in the agreement, in the settlement. So that was basically what we have discussed, and as from the side of the government has assured to provide us assistance and to help in completing the entire process within the stipulated time.
Okay. Did you suggest a place for setting up of camp?
Yeah, we have suggested the camp in our previous this one only place in Edinburgh at Tura. Yeah.
And when you will submit your arms?
As soon as we have the camp, we are taking only 10 days to complete the process. Okay. We'll do it as soon as possible. Right now, the rough numbering is around 300, as we have already submitted in our memorandum also. But we have to call them and do a physical verification, because so many things happen in between. So until and unless we see them physically, we cannot give the names just by assumption.
But when are you going to deposit your arms?
As soon as we have the camp, we are taking only 10 days. So by this month we want to complete the entire process.
Okay.
Not this month, of course, in November. Okay.
According to the process, after signing the agreement, 3 months after signing the agreement, you have to do away with the name of NBCB.
Yes.
So are you ready with it?
Yes, we are ready, and like I have said, once we have completed the process, we'll do it as early as possible, as we fix up with the government. So it may possibly in the month of November itself.
Okay. Do you have any plan to form another organization, like a social organization?
No, we may be having a welfare organization for our cadres who does not, who cannot go back to their families, who want to stay on with us. So we want to organize some, form some social organizations, so we can work with in tandem with the government.
Nakaliang mentirang baka jelau Dr. Mukul sama ulai thu bak sarkar haswa bagan pemlano bala pendo pendami ki arkan hon kahab ban besar pnya thik pathing ikit khot khamtam hadin ke jeng Aiti Noh Iaki Tiar le baro.
In view of the need to ensure that timelines are kept to implement the overall objective contained in the permanent tax settlement agreement, this meeting was necessary. And in the midst of all these discussions as to how to move forward, keeping in mind the need to keep time, certain issues have been discussed, flagged, and there has been indication from the side of the government that we must keep the timelines, and these whole timelines revolves around the step 1, step 2, step 3, and how we can accomplish this objective, keeping in mind the importance of timelines. So this is the main discussion that we have today. We must complete the process of disbanding within this month, and to a great extent they have assured that they will try all their best to get in all the necessary whatever are required to be done from their perspective.
Within this one means we are still in
November.
Okay.
November. I am a little bit 24 hours ahead. So.
The NBCB has suggested to have a separate camp for them because as of now the cadres is scattering here and there.
Yeah.
So
No, those issues have been flagged. Those are part of the things that they need to do. Obviously, before disbanding of the organization, what will be required for them is to basically physically verify their cadres and also collect all the information pertaining to the weapons, the armory, and at the same time, subsequent to that, there will be joint verification with the authorities of the government and them. Then subsequently proceed further for the completion of the disbanding process. Therefore, they will require a place where their cadres can come, which can be used for housing them as a transit camp. So they have indicated their desire to the government to approve the camp which they were using informally at Edinburgh to be approved by the government, and we have already asked the concerned department. The concerned officers will look at that and then after that indicate all the approvals.
Kumun sipan kan mau kita ki arti ki kan hon dang hak asal tu dikunai lun kila pendap yang jenis sekolah esok happening kasarkar India kasarkar menglihat kini dalam jom ketika kan hon king atiar ha office jong menteri kampoi yang jong kasarkar India Rajnath Singh kimat ki balai manjur ha ketika jenis sekolah ki long halo ke jing ai bor shu syaka kontel hakaban ai ka bor ki penia ikam hakinang ba lengba ki tenat ki lasa jet bat nang pen bor shu ikit khot ban nikmat syaka kontel ketika senjam balasim nak NVC bat ke NVCB ban pensinge no ki kampentriam kala penlong ke sarkar ban ai ke jero ikinoi lam jong kiti kin hun ki batrang bat sim ya kalenti ya ke jigem ke batmai da ka thong mon ra ek song suk song sang